Hey y'all, today I'm going to be doing a review on Falscara Lengthening Lash Starter Kit by Kiss. It claims no clumps, no smudges, no strips, no damage, no mistakes. We'll see. We'll see about the mistake part. I'm pretty good at making mistakes. If you can mascara, you can Falscara. Says it right there. Right off the bat, I love how organized this little tray is. When you open it up, it's just all right there. The instructions are on the back, so this looks like it's gonna be pretty easy. First, it says to brush a light coat of Bond on natural lashes. So it's like with Bond. It even has pictures on the back that shows you that you just brush it on like mascara. What are words? It says a little goes a long way. I think I've probably already overdone it. That's why I have another eyeball, so I can get a second chance. What I want to do is keep brushing it on, and it says a little goes a long way. So I'm gonna resist and listen. Resist, listen to Kiss. This is instructions. Next, we are going to take our little thingy and take a little wisp, and we're gonna place them underneath the lash line. Okay, good job, Amelia. Why are you screwing up? Oh, look at that. It says place right above the waterline, like not too close to the waterline. I have the lashes on, and I opted for the shorter lashes. Kind of wanted to go with a more natural look, but they do have medium lashes and long lashes on here, and this is how much is left after doing both eyes. Also think it might be a good idea to kind of take this and push them on a little better. Next step is to take the seal and wisp it underneath, and that's supposed to eliminate the stickiness and just seal them on there. I am done putting these on. That took not a lot of time at all. This is what I love because I have nowhere to go today, and I'd really like to show these off or keep them on a little bit longer. They're meant to be worn somewhere, and then you can take them off. They even have the remover that comes with it. I would like to keep these on a little bit longer, like keep them on overnight. So they have overnighter that is in the kit. Apply it underneath. It says 2 to 3 times. That is supposed to help it stay a little bit longer. There you go. Thank you, Kiss, for allowing me to do this review. I really like this product, so this was pretty easy to talk about and review. It's easy, they're pretty. You can even add the overnighter stick to make it last a little bit longer. I love it. This goes for $24 and something at Ulta. I will post a link down below if y'all want to get your own set of Falscara lashes from Kiss. Go do it.